What if you could instantly trade with lower fees, priority support, and many premium benefits? Today, I'm going to show you how with Bybit VIP. Now, there's a reason why Bybit, one of the top exchanges on the planet right now. In fact, they are number 2 on CoinMarketCap. And that reason is because of their VIP program. Naturally, the best exchanges will have the best traders on it. And we can see here, based on this VIP program, that yes, these guys are doing everything correctly when it comes to attracting those traders. So if we scroll down here, we can actually see the VIP fee structure here is very, very competitive. And I would say one of the best at the moment when it comes to VIP. So if you are on another exchange right now, you just want cheaper fees, these guys will give you up to 50% off on your fees just by trading on their exchange. All you got to do if you are on another exchange is message one of their support team, and then they're basically going to ask you for the volume that you put on the other exchanges. And then once you've proven that you do commit a lot of volume to your trading, as most traders do, then yes, they will actually just instantly make you VIP and give you that fee discount. Now, this is done through their support, but if you are a VIP on Bybit, you're actually going to get priority support the entire time. So that basically means you're going to have an actual agent, not an AI agent or a bot or any customer service thing that you might get annoyed with. A real person is going to be with you every step of the way for any questions you have if you're VIP. And if you do have a question at any point, they usually reply within a couple minutes. And I can testify for that myself. I had an issue the other day, didn't really know what I was doing, and these guys helped me out within a couple minutes of just messaging them in the support tab. Now, the VIP benefits we've talked about so far are fees, but there are many more here on the Bybit VIP program, and that's why they are superior. We can see they have OTC trading here with 0 transaction fees. So if you are doing an over-the-counter trade, then you're going to be charged nothing for that. You're going to have instant settlements and large trades up to 10 million at competitive rates. Then you've got the VIP privileges. So this is going to be 10% cashback rewards. And then we can see the Bybit card, and this will actually get you your own VIP privileges. So you can get up to 10% cashback in points, a physical card fee waiver, and express delivery, and Telegram and X Premium rebates for that card. Now, if we dive into this card a little bit more, we can see that yes, this is basically like your everyday card that you could use to use crypto to actually spend money in real life, which is pretty cool. And you can see here, it's pretty flashy and you can have very different designs with that. So here you can see that up to 10% cashback, up to $300 here, which would be fantastic. And you can see you can use your crypto or fiat to pay anytime, anywhere, like you would do normally with your own card. This is something that's quite revolutionary and innovative, and something that is actually going to help you out a lot of the time when you are just trying to buy things and maybe, yeah, you don't want to use a certain bank account. You could use your Bybit card. It's going to come directly from your Bybit balance, and you're going to get rewarded for doing that. And here you can see you're actually going to get 100% rebates on selected partners. So basically, if you buy on any of these things, then you're actually going to get rebates for that. So you got Netflix, you got Spotify, you got Amazon Prime, you got ChatGPT, and TradingView, just to name a few here of the things that you can actually get rebates on. And TradingView is obviously a massive one because if you're a trader, you're going to probably use TradingView. Now, the best thing about this card is obviously you can use it anywhere, but you can actually get 8% APR on your idle funds. So the funds that are just sitting there in your account, you're actually going to be earning with that just by having them in there. That's pretty cool. And you're also going to get free card issuance. So that means no annual fees, and it's going to be 0 cost to get that card. So that is the card. Let's scroll down to some of the other massive benefits you can get with Bybit VIP. You can see you've got dual asset here, which is a massive thing at the moment. You've got launch pads, so you're going to get more allocation in launch pads if you do want to partake in them. That's going to be huge, particularly for ROI. And then we've got Web3 IDOs. So basically, you can have a higher chance of winning with those if you have VIP. And those are just a few of the many benefits you can get here, including event tickets. So global F1 tickets are also available if you are a VIP. Now, they also do events for all of their VIPs as well. You can see here as the Bybit VIP Gala Asia that they did, and the Bybit VIP Gala Europe. So if you are a Bybit VIP, you do trade a lot of volume, then yes, you could be invited to these events, and they are very exclusive, very high end, and yes, you do feel like a VIP when you go to them. So fantastic stuff from Bybit here. I would definitely recommend getting involved because all you got to do is message their customer support. If you are on another exchange, just go over to this one because you're going to get way more rewards here, right? You're going to get all those events tickets, you're going to get the card, you're going to get 50% off your trading fees, as you can see here, and you're going to get many more things as we've talked about in this video. And if you are worried about the interface, if you do trade every day, don't worry. It's exactly the same as any other exchange. This is the pretty much standard, and the standard was actually made by Bybit themselves. They did create this UI and everyone basically just copied them. So you're not going to feel like you're in a foreign place when you are trading on Bybit. And then everything else in the exchange naturally is all at the top here, whether it's copy trading, whether it is spot trading or anything like that. You can do all of it here very, very easily on the site. So that is Bybit VIP, and that is exactly why they have converted me over to Bybit very, very easily. I mean, the benefits are clear, okay? We've got lower fees, we've got event tickets, we've got higher launch pool and launchpad allocations, and many more things to go with that. So if you are interested, definitely check this out in the description. Definitely get over there because, yeah, I've had a lot of benefit from this. I think you guys will too. And that is going to be it for this video. Drop a like on it, leave a comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.